Hi, Lady Esther here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a brief video about some Chanel products. If you're interested in this, please stick around. The lip gloss I'm wearing today is 119 Bourgeoisie. Nail polish, I got the Vernis Chanel nail polish in $6.95 Perle de Corail. And I used 3 coats of this. I thought it was going to be a lot darker than it was, like 1 coat or even 2 coats. It's not dark enough for me. And then I topped it with the gel coat, top coat. And these are both 0.4 flow ounces or 13 milliliters. I believe they're both $28 each. So I'm going to insert a close-up because my camera is not focusing. Is the Ombre Premiere Cream Eyeshadow in 802 Undertone, and it comes in this very fancy looking glass jar, and it comes with a little brush, but I don't think I really like this brush because I need a brush that has a bigger handle because I'm finding it hard to grip things nowadays. So this is a very pretty light, I would say, very, very light brown color, or would it be taupe undertone. You can use this as an eyeshadow base. So there's this other one that I wanted to get. I think it's Scintillés. Anyway, I'll write that down. But I decided not to because this is a really pretty color and they have lots of different pretty colors, but I don't know if I'm that crazy about cream shadow. I think it's long wearing, but it was very hard for me to blend. This is the final look. I used the 802 Undertone on my mobile lid. Use the Urban Decay On The Run palette, Bailout On The Run palette, and I used just one color, Skimp, this color right there. I used it on the rest of my lid, the top lid, and just did mascara. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Be sure and hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos, and make sure the bell has a bracket around it and set to all for reminders. I hope this is interesting. If you have any ideas for upcoming videos, be sure and write that down. I'm also interested in hearing that. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.